Watercolors is one of the most beautiful and captivating mediums to paint with. Its flowing pigments, soft blends, and happy surprises makes every painting a unique experience.
Hi, I'm Madhu. I'm a watercolor artist, a published author, and an educator, and the owner of the brand Femvisionary. My mission is to make watercolors more approachable, relaxing, and enjoyable.
Over the next 30 days, we'll escape into beautiful landscapes together. We'll wander through blooming flower fields, admire peaceful lakes, paint charming cottages, dramatic skies, and so much more.
Whether you're a complete beginner or would like to build a daily consistent habit, this challenge is just for you.
We will begin by going over the materials you'll need, followed by some practice exercises. By the end of these 30 days, you'll have a beautiful collection of watercolor landscapes and a deeper understanding of the medium. So grab your brushes and let's discover the beauty of watercolors together.